In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom GPTs to Slack and Discord. Bringing a custom AI assistant into Slack or Discord can make everyday communication much more efficient. It gives your team a way to summarize conversations, pull insights from past messages, and use AI directly inside the platforms you already work in. For Slack, you can connect the official ChatGPT app and use Slack channels as part of a knowledge base. For Discord, since there is no official OpenAI app marketplace integration, you'll use a no-code bot platform as the bridge. To get started with Slack, open your Slack desktop workspace and look over to the left sidebar. Click on Apps or More if Apps is hidden. In the Marketplace search bar, type ChatGPT and install the official OpenAI app. As you go through the setup, follow the authorization prompts. Keep in mind that your Slack workspace administrator may need to approve the connection before it can access your workspace. Once the app appears in your Slack sidebar, open it and click Connect ChatGPT. This launches a browser window where you'll sign into your eligible ChatGPT account. After that, go to Settings, then Connected Apps, and connect Slack by approving the requested read permissions. This handshake is what allows the integration to work properly. Next, open a new browser tab and go to the GPT creation page. Start a new GPT, then switch to the Configure tab. Give your assistant a clear name and write instructions that define its role, tone, and how it should behave in edge cases. Then scroll down to the Knowledge section. Because Slack is now linked, choose Connect Data Source and select the Slack workspace channels you want this assistant to reference. When everything looks right, save or update the GPT. At that point, your team can begin asking questions using Slack message context. Now let's move to Discord. Open the Discord developer portal and create a new application for your AI assistant. After that, go to the bot section, add a bot, and generate a token by resetting it. Copy that token and store it securely since it acts like a password for your bot. On the same page, enable message content intent so the bot can read messages when needed, then save your changes. From there, open your preferred no-code AI bot builder and create a new agent. Choose the language model that fits your account, then enter your system instructions and upload any knowledge base files you want the bot to use. After that, go to the Integrations or Channels section, choose Discord, paste in your bot token, and save the connection. Finally, return to the Discord developer portal and open OAuth 2, then URL generator. Select the bot scope, then enable the